Hello everyone, in this video I will show you, basically we will talk about Infinit AI review, that whether it's legit or a scam. So when I just go to Google and search for Infinit AI, there's a nothing such thing, right? And there's a no such website. I find some of the website here, but this is not what's a real website, right? Now here we are going to talk about, by the end of this video, you will definitely know that whether it's a scam or a legit website. The very first thing is lack of genuine reviews, right? So the few available reviews on the platform like Captera are generic. In fact, when I go here to this website, I find no reviews right now. Even though if I just go to the Trustpilot, there's a no such reviews on all of this website, right? And it's just a completely lack substance with no verified user experience to, claim that this platform is effective. The second reason that is a suspicious affiliate marketing tactics. So if you just read this report given by this person, you will come to know that some reviews promote Infinite AI as a part of an affiliate marketing scheme offering clone business opportunities and making unrealistic income claims like $27,000 in a month, right? So this is something very suspicious to me because there's no such proof that somebody has generated. There's just only screenshot without any real reviews, right? The third thing is vague product details. Infinite AI website lack clear and specific information. Right now, as you can see here, I'm not able to find the real website. I just found this one, and this is not the real website, right? And unsubstantiated claims. The platform marketing materials make bold claims about being 100% fully automated e-commerce system driven by AI. But where is the website? But there's no such independent verifications or evidence to support these, reviews or claims given by the website. So in conclusion, you can just combine all these factors, including the lack of generic user reviews, suspicious affiliate marketing tactics, vague product details, and all this false claim. It is advisable to approach Infinite AI with extreme cautious, right? The available information suggests that it may be the potential scam or at least an unreliable business opportunity that is unlikely to deliver whatever they promise. I hope you found this information really useful. Subscribe.